starting off with the basics of this planner, just to give you guys a little bit of background on what Plum Paper offers. They offer not just planners, but notebooks and accessories as well. The planners are divided into different styles, from personalized to goal to teacher and student, as well as one of their new formats, which is distant learning. Now, for the teacher and student planners, I do want to go ahead and note that they are separated by grade level, which is a great little addition that they have available. The price depends on the customization of the planner. As for what you can actually customize, you can customize the size, which they have 3 sizes available. The A5, which is the one I'm going to be reviewing for you guys, it's 5.8 inches by 8.3 inches, and that starts at $29. I do have their 7 by 9 inch that I've shared before, and this one starts at $42. And then they also have the 8.5 inch by 11 inch, which starts at $42. In addition to choosing the size, you can choose the cover pattern as well as the layout. And the layouts range from vertical, horizontal, monthly, daily, grid, teacher, student, and there's also financial. The color scheme, whether you want it to be colorful or neutral within. You can also choose between having it bound with this coil here, or you can have it unbound, unpunched, for you to, whether you want to do 6 rings or do the disc bound method. That's an option available as well. And you also have the ability to choose the start months, ranging from 12 to 17 months. And then there are additional add-ons for different sections that you can add in, from business to educational, household, lifestyle, teacher, student, and the traditional notes and lists. And these add-ons can be dispersed throughout the planner, or you can add them tabbed to the end of the planner. As for the layout itself and what I decided to create, I wanted to do a daily layout, which includes the home and budget sections, which I'll be sharing with you guys. And I went with the 6-month option, but for the daily, they also have a 12-month option available. So let's go ahead and take a closer look. So with the planner itself, it does have this clear cover to protect the actual cover. Now, with all the Plum Paper planners, no matter what cover you choose, this is going to be on the inside. It also came with this card and these stickers, and then how to care for the planner. Keep it cool, keep it clean, keep it neat, keep it fresh. I decided to go ahead and start this planner in September. It just has the opening page here, daily planner, personalized for you, by you. This planner belongs to. Then we go into the 2020 perpetual calendar on 2 pages. Then we have the 2021 perpetual calendar on 2 pages. Then we have special dates with the 12 months of the year. It's just broken into sections. And then ideas, plans, and goals. You can categorize whether you want to do goals by the month or in different categories. And then a notes page, which is just blank. Each of the months has a particular cover. The tabs are laminated. So here's the color for September, October, so on and so forth. And then I added on the 2 sections, my home and budget, which you can see are tabbed back here at the end of the planner. Also, the planner has a double-sided pocket, as well as the 2022 perpetual calendar on 1 page. I also want to note that with this planner, the color that you see for the month is the color scheme that you're going to see on the inside. So standard with the Plum Paper is that you get this monthly highlights page where you have these 3 bubbles here: birthdays, events, things to remember, and then these 2 spaces down here to put whatever you want. There's a notes page, the month on 2 months with a sidebar, along with the upcoming month at the bottom. Then here is the daily layout. So you have priorities, schedule, where you can put in your hourly, meals, notes, gratitude, and to do. As I mentioned, Plum Paper offers a variety of customization. So these are the kinds of headers that you can of course, customize to put whatever it is that you want. You can, of course, put stickers here. Same thing with the dashboards. If you don't like how plain they are, you can, of course, use stickers. But that layout continues throughout the whole month. And it stops on the 30th. So if you were thinking that because this month ends on, say the 28th starts on a Monday, this is not going to be in October as with other planners it may be. The way that Plum Paper does it is that the month is within that month, and that's that. And then at the end of the month, you do have a notes page there, lined notes page. And that continues throughout the whole 6 months. Then moving on to the My Home section, I thought this would be beneficial. So there's the home service providers page here, and it's separated into categories from electric, water, gas, trash and recycling, internet, cable, security system, insurance, and then 4 categories for you to choose whatever you wish. Then there's a home maintenance that's divided by season, and then indoor and outdoor. Then you have monthly goals. You have the 6 months here, and then a little note section at the bottom. Then there's a master cleaning guide divided not only into areas of the house, but daily, weekly, monthly, and annually. Moving on, there is then a laundry guide, which I thought was a really cool addition. It helps you with separating the laundry, laundry stain removal, fabric care, as well as laundry procedure care. Then for those that are into gardening, there are tips on that. So there's basic gardening terms, plant neighbors, and then your list here divided into seasons. Then there's family favorites, so breakfast, lunch, dinner, and recipes to try, and that's divided into appetizer, entree, and dessert. Then there's a passwords page, home projects pages, which is divided into, so you have your checklist here, project start and end date. Your gift list, which has gift list, items, store website, and amount. Then a shopping list on 2 pages, which has the item, the store website, the money, and then whether it was need or want. And then a monthly bill here. So you have 6 months, your expense overview, and then important contacts. Now with the budget section does have a repeat of what was in the My Home section as far as the bills. But if you were someone that was using this for just year round and picking it up whenever you wanted to, this would be good for the whole year. For 12 months, I should say. So you have bank account information here, the monthly cash flow and my bills, the monthly assessment, monthly budget. So this you get for 6 months worth. So with the monthly assessment, you have the month, monthly income, monthly budget, checking, savings, debt, savings goals, budget goals, notes, fixed periodic expenses, and then tally it up at the bottom, and then your variable expenses here. And that continues. Then there's a debt tracker. Then there's some notes pages at the very end of the planner, passwords, my contacts, U.S. holidays, and then again NAP 2022 perpetual calendar. Seems so far away, but we're about to be in 2021. So that is it for an overview of this planner. Now let's talk pros and cons. One of the pros that I love about this planner, well, Plum Paper in general, is the variety and the personalization. If you want daily, you can get that. If you want something that's more of a weekly format, you can get that too. I'll go ahead and share with you guys what a layout looks like with the weekly. So this is the weekly here, lined. There's different vertical options that you can get. So you have your week here. You can separate this, and then at the bottom you have your top 3. If you're using stickers or a thicker washi, you can cover that here. You do have your sidebar. Yes, this planner goes way, way back, as you can see, but the layout is the same. That has not changed. So another thing I want to go ahead and note, aside from the customization, is that The different sizes that they have available is another great key point. If you want something smaller, I would recommend the A5. If you want something that's a little more medium size, for those that use a Happy Planner, this is more of that classic size. And for those that want something even larger, they do have the 8.5 inch by 11. My biggest con when it comes to Plum Paper is how they divide things up. So this is from 2017, but this is the best way that I can show you guys what I mean. So you have, let me go to a month that I can actually see if I can do it. All right, so you see how June would be here on the 26th and July would come in on a Saturday, right? So it makes sense for this to still be in June. But then when you flip to July, the month repeated itself. And to me, this is a waste of paper. It makes absolutely no sense. So that was one of the things that just didn't make any sense to me. Same thing with this daily. I get it. This is a dated option. It is not undated. It is a dated daily. But of course, if you wanted to cover up the dates and use this however you want, by all means, help yourself. But I feel like this should be in October. That's just the way that my brain works, because I work more on like a weekly instead of a daily. So that would be the biggest con, is that they group the month all together, which for some people makes sense, but for me it just doesn't. But that is it for this review. I will have more information on Plum Paper in the description box for you guys to check out. If you guys are interested in a referral code, just let me know. You can email me your email and then I can send you the link. That's how Plum Paper's referral code works, and you will save 10% on your first purchase of $30 or more. But let's go ahead and get into the details of the giveaway and how you can win this planner. Alright, so to enter this giveaway, the rules are really simple. I need you to do 3 things. 1, make sure you're subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam. 2, like this video. And 3, leave a comment down below letting me know what you want to see here on the channel. Again, be subscribed, like this video, and comment below what you want to see here on the channel. I'll have all the details in the description box. And that's it. So, thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you would like more information on Plum Paper, I'll have the information in the description box as well. Related videos, and of course the links to the blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you're not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you. I love you guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.